with the mannequin. She's got her helmet on.
Got no helmet on.
Uh-oh.
What doing?
Hi, everybody. So nice to see you again. I wanted to show you the back door of our house. It's got this big step. Not very easy to get in and out, especially with a stroller. We quickly realized that there was something that we could do. Build a ramp. We had Uncle Luke come over, who knows construction, and he built this amazing sturdy ramp for us. Now it's easy to go in and out of the back door with a stroller or with tiny little feet like kids have. We even had these fun railings left over from another project that we added for safety and fashion style. Fun, fun, fun. The kids also like to use this ramp to run cars and things down. Let's see some more of that. Oh, you can push it on its wheels if you want. Yeah. Whoa. All right. Wait. I'm gonna go to the bottom and I'm gonna film a video of all the cars coming down. Okay. Missing. Okay, send that big dump truck down with the balloon in it, Taylor. Try it again. Let's try it one more time. Well, maybe just do it tighter. They both did real good. Whoa!
How do you do that?
Koobee kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun,